Have you ever looked at a map of the Pacific and just seen tiny dots of land scattered across a vast blue expanse? Well, what if I told you that Oceania's history is far more than just a story of islands? It's an epic saga of courage and ingenuity. This is the story of the greatest navigators the world has ever known, who read the stars and the swells of the ocean like a book. It's the story of fierce warriors, innovative farmers, and visionaries who dreamed of new horizons. Their incredible legacy isn't just carved in stone. It's carried by the waves, written in the constellations, and kept alive in the hearts of the people who proudly call the Pacific their home. Join us as we explore this amazing journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more.